Are you having a problem with the Microsoft Store? Maybe error code 0x00000190? No worries, as in this video we will look at how you can fix it. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. Look, I know it's a stupid question, but are you connected to the internet? Check your connection. It might be down or suffering from slower speeds. Try resetting your connection and see if that corrects the problem. Along that note, it might be that the Microsoft Store itself that is down. You might want to wait a while and try again. Next, we can repair the Microsoft Store. Go to Settings. Then, go to Apps. Go to Apps and Features. Look for the Microsoft Store. Click on the three dots and then Advanced Options. Then, under Reset, click on Repair. Then, after that, try opening the Microsoft Store and see if you can connect. We can also restart the Windows Store cache. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Type in wsreset.exe and hit enter. This might take a few minutes, and when it's done, the Microsoft Store should open. Next, let's look at the date and time settings. Go to Settings. Go to Time and Language. Then Date and Time. Make sure that the time zones and the time is 1. Set to automatic, and 2. Correctly set. After that, restart your system and see if the problem is resolved. You can also re-register the Microsoft Store in the PowerShell. Open PowerShell as an administrator. And there is a command line that you can go to the article, copy, paste it, hit enter. This too will take some time, but after that, restart your system and see if this fixes the problem. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.